So today we're going to be recreating this covered hopper, which is Canpotex number 22004. We'll be using a selection of brushes which includes two flats, a large round, a small round, a piece of sponge, and a couple Q-tips for dabbing paint. This is the victim that we will be using for this project. First thing we're going to do is remove the couplers and the trucks in preparation for paint. We're going to mask over the Canpotex logo using clear masking tape, which isn't the best, but don't worry about any paint that bleeds underneath because that will become part of the project. We are going to mix up a chalky light gray and sponge that on to give it a weathered look. We'll use the large flat brush to apply this chalky weathered paint more opaquely according to our prototype photo. And then we'll use a mixture of brown, dark brown, and orange to create a rust effect. And we'll use the sponge to blot that together to create a large rusted area with nice natural rusty tones. We'll add some black striping with a thin brush, and then we'll use the sponge again to blot that in and blend it, giving it a natural rusted appearance. Again, using the sponge, we'll add some rust runoff below the sticker, below the masking, and we'll do the same for the other side. Now we'll remove the masking. As you can see, there was a bit of bleeding, but that's okay because we are going to paint all of this out. Using our original light gray, we're going to paint over the large square in the logo and most of the letters in Canpotex. Then mixing our gray with a little bit of black, we're going to paint over the second square, and we're going to do a little bit of blotching to give it a rusted effect in the area of the sticker. We're going to touch up some of the lettering with our original light gray just to help it pop a little bit. This is the opposite side where we've done the same things, and our original side again. Now we're going to weather the trucks using a mixture of black and brown, and we're going to do the same for the wheels. Remember to remove any paint from the wheel tread and also from the axle pin. This is our original prototype photo so that we can compare it to the finished product side 1. And the finished product side 2. I hope you enjoyed this video.